Meaning of grained.
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 Grained. The word grained has multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a texture or pattern of small, fine lines or grains. For instance, wood can have a grained texture due to the natural patterns in its growth rings. Leather can also appear grained due to the use of an embossing technique that adds a textured pattern. In culinary terms, graining refers to the gradual addition of a liquid, such as cream, into a mixture to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Overall, the term grained is used to describe a fine, detailed texture or pattern that is typically pleasing to the eye or touch.